Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Ruby Red. For today's video, I have a brand new shoe haul. You guys know I've been doing more shoe haul videos. For today's video, I'm going to be trying on some different color thigh highs. I feel like everyone owns a pair of black leather, black patent, black stretchy material nylon thigh highs. So I decided to pull some of my favorites in different colors. So these are some unique colored thigh highs that I think would be perfect for Halloween. I think thigh highs are the perfect shoe for any Halloween costume, and they're also perfect for anything fall or winter. You can wear thigh highs, it covers up pretty much most of your leg. Wear it with a mini dress, with leggings, with tights, and these are just some of my favorite colors that I wanted to show you guys. So let's jump on in and see how each of these thigh highs fit. All right, so first up I have these over the knee boots in red. They're made out of a suede material. Of course, they're thigh highs. They do have a pointy toe as well as an inner side zipper towards the base of the foot so that you could slide your feet in. And then of course you do have a back tie at the top as well. They're about a 4-inch high heel and they stay pretty decently in place. It just depends on your thighs. I have large thighs, so it's hard for me to keep anything up, thigh highs or fishnets or stockings or anything like that, but they pretty much stay in place. You might have to just adjust as you walk with them, but they're not uncomfortable or falling down on me. I love the suede red. I love the red thigh highs. I think that they look so good and they would work with so many different Halloween costumes. Red is also great for Christmas or fall, and so I just love having this in my collection. Next are these over the knee boots in an orange type of suede. Again, we have a pointed toe. It does have more of a, almost like a mini lug outsole at the base of the foot. And then you do have this 4.5-inch high heel. This is more of a microfiber suede, and it does not have the ties in the back. So there's no adjusting these really. They kind of just either stay where they are or fall a little bit if you walk in them, or just depending on your size. But I do like these overall. I think that they're super comfortable, stylish. I think this would be great in orange for Halloween, of course, and any outfit, because orange, in my opinion, is a fall color. But I love how these fit. You can kind of scrunch them a little bit, or you can completely stretch them up. They do come about quarter of the way up, maybe mid-thigh, just depending on your size. But love how they fit. Of course, you have that inner zipper towards the foot as well, and they're just super stylish and comfortable. Next up, we have these snake print thigh highs that come up slightly higher than some of the other pairs that I already tried on. They do have a little bit of a stretch to them. It's a faux snake print that's mostly in like a beige, white, off-white, tan type of mix. It does have this 4 to 4.5-inch heel, pointy toe as well, and of course does have the inside zipper. All of these have the inside zipper to help you get them in them quicker and easier. But it does have this kind of tan, subtle color to it in the snake print, and you can just kind of see it. It's like tannish brown with mostly a white or off-white base. Love this snake print. I love anything in snake print, if I'm gonna be honest. And it's just like a subtle snake so that you can really dress this up in browns, tans, white. Anything really would be good with this, whether it's a costume or something in the fall or the winter. I think it's just an easy print that you can really dress up in a ton of different ways. Next up in the thigh highs is this velvet thigh high in this royal blue. I absolutely love velvet thigh highs. I own them in a couple of different colors, and I just think that they look so good in the winter when it comes to dressing up a dress, leggings, tights, an outfit. It's just royal blue and velvet are two of my favorites to wear. Again, the inside zipper, maybe a 3 to 4-inch heel on this one, pointy toe as well. There is no tie back. What's great about this is that the velvet is a little bit stretchy, so it does make it easier to put on and to pull it up a little higher on your thigh. I mean, all these thigh highs kind of fall down slightly, so you will have to adjust depending on how much you walk and how it fits you, but I just love having velvet thigh highs in my collection. Again, great for a costume, depends on what you're gonna wear, and then you can really dress these up with any type of neutral when it comes to fall or winter. Thank you guys so much for watching my colorful thigh-high boots haul. Please be sure to comment and let me know which one is your favorite. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell button so we can be part of my notification gang. If you're looking for extra links and content, check out the caption below. Thank you guys so much for watching.